How to turn off undo send on Yahoo Mail app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Yahoo Mail. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, and now click on settings right here. As you can see, after you click on settings, you will find many options right here, but all what you have to do is simple. Scroll down until you find the option that you want, allow into send. Click here and it's turned off successfully. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.